What's up mga parts? Another day, another vlog. For today's video mga parts, we're going to Vietnam. And yan, kasama natin si Sisling, si Sid. So for today's video mga parts, it's another
travel. It's another travel video.
It's another travel vlog. And where we will be flying Philippine Airlines PR591. So it's another Philippine Airlines vlog. We will review the Philippine Airlines. Bakit?
Hindi kasi baka mamaya nakaganyan ako, tapos kita pala ako dito.
Oo, kita ka. Nakaway dyan eh.
Ayan o.
So, mga parts, if curious kayo dun sa flight ng Philippines, Manila to Ho Chi Minh o Saigon, this is PR591 A30. Review natin siya. Marami akong Philippine Airlines vlog, mga parts. Hanapin nyo lang sa aking YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. So later mga parts, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung expectations and kung magkano namin na-book itong Philippine Airlines flight namin to Ho Chi Minh. So now, we're waiting here at the...
Almost 2 hours pala yung flight.
Boarding gate. Yes, it's 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. Ilan? Nakita na yung dito.
2
Ayun time lang.
2 hours.
2 hours. Yeah, so let's go mga parts.
2 hours and 15.
Uno, dos, tres.
So yun mga parts, sobrang smooth ng aming process dito sa NAIA Terminal 1. So mga parts, lahat ng Philippine Airlines international flights, dito yun sa Terminal 1. After namin syempre kailangan nyo mag-online check-in para mabilis. Yung flight namin is it's at 6:45 AM. Boarding is it's at 6 AM. After ng check-in namin, kailangan nyo magbayad ng travel tax. Magkano yung travel tax? 1,600 per head, pero you have options to pay sa ano, yung sa online para hindi na rin kayo pipila. And after ng check-in, immigration, sobrang bilis lang din namin sa immigration. 1,645
to be exact.
Tapos sa immigration, ano tinanong sa'yo? Sisid. Government employee, no?
Yeah, tinanong kung government employee ba, ilang days, yun lang.
Yeah, ako din tinanong. Tapos tanong, kailan babalik? And then, ano yung purpose ng travel? So, basta naman ano, alam niyo yung mga details, wala na masyadong complication. Pero, lagi nilang tinatanong kung government employees kasi nga, yan. So, pag government employees, may separate permit kasi yun that you need to generate.
Sabi nila, ano ka daw kasi yun? Threat to security.
Ganun ba?
O parang gano'n.
Basta alam ko dapat ano, kasi approve yung pag-alis mo. Hanapan kayo ng approved leaves and yung letter that you are authorized to go out of the country. So dito ito sa boarding gate number 5 kami. Waiting na lang kami sa boarding.
Ganda, in fairness no? Ang ganda.
Maganda na sa NAIA 1 mga parts. Maayos na. Hindi na siya yung parang bago ka pumasok ng aeroplano yung pawis na hagard na hagard.
Feeling ko dahil PAL kasi.
Shout out naman PAL.
Hindi kasi yung kanina ang sobrang haba ng pila dun sa
Oman Air. Sa kabilang mga pero dun kahit yung check-in counter ng PAL, ang dami kasi yung counter. So wala ring masyadong pila. Kahit hindi nag-online check-in, konti lang yung pila. So now, we're just waiting for boarding.
Hindi ko alam kung paano siya hatapin.
Exit line po. Ako na ba itong VR? Wala namang aircraft.
Our seat number is 46K.
J.
Me is K, you is J.
Ano yung safest seat daw? 11.
11A.
A?
So, syempre, mag-tour tayo. Mag-seat tour tayo here. So, yeah. Wala siya entertainment. Ano tawag doon? Entertainment system. Entertainment system. Entertainment panel. Pero meron kasi sila nung sa Wi-Fi.
In-flight.
In-flight entertainment. Pero yeah, I think meron sila nung Wi-Fi. Pero wala. Wala talaga.
Ay, pa free water. Ay,
O hindi yan sa'yo.
may tubig. Besahan ko.
Hindi yan, I mean hindi yan galing dito. So, pero okay naman yung leg, hindi naman masikip. So, nasa middle seat si Sising Sisid. Ako ay nasa window seat. Ito ang kanilang safety briefing card. Airbus C21. So, 2 hours yung aming travel time. And, yeah. We're just waiting for our final announcement.
Your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head.
May pagkain dito sa Philippine Airlines. So, si Sisling Sisid. What did you order? Ano yun? Beef sausage. Beef sausage. Oh, and hash brown. Mine is chicken adobo. Oh, with garlic rice. They also serve dried mangoes, cutlery, and bottled water. They also serve drinks over there. I'll have apple juice. You have the option to get Coke, coffee, water, or orange or apple juice. Let's eat. Tikman natin yung adobo chicken. Yun ang maganda sa Philippine Airlines, may pagkain. Sarap. Pero hindi siya yung classic adobo, parang medyo may siya. Pero masarap. Kumusta yung beef? Masarap. Beef sausage. Ano yung egg din yung isa? Fish? Masarap. Order nyo yung chicken adobo. pards, we're in Ho Chi Minh. We're in Vietnam. So sisis mga pards, hindi na yung first time sa Vietnam. Me, it's my first time here in Vietnam. So yun mga pards. So far, okay naman yung experience. Yung flight namin from Manila to Saigon or Ho Chi Minh. And it is around 2 hours. We also arrive on time and okay din yung landing. How's your experience with Philippine Airlines?
Tulog lang.
How's the food?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. And
Pero, mabilis, comfy.
comfy, no? Mabilis yung process, walang hassle. As always. So far, so good naman. Lagi tayo lumilipad with Philippine Airlines. Domestic tsaka international. So, yeah. And yung price pala, yung nabook naming ticket, it's 5,000 pesos one way. So total Manila to Ho Chi Minh and Ho Chi Minh to Manila, it's 10,000 pesos per head. So I think mga parts okay na yun with the comfort, and also it comes with 30 kilograms or 30 kg luggage allowance. So kaya madami din kayong pwedeng madala and pwede rin kayong maraming bilhin kasi pabalik 30 kg din yung allowance niya. So if you will be booking Philippine Airlines, kasama na lahat, wala namang hidden charges. So travel tax ang binayaran namin sa airport sa Manila, and then yun na. And then may kasama din siyang pagkain. Also, the staff naman and crew are friendly, and nakita niyo naman yung smooth yung process namin with Philippine Airlines. So ngayon dito na kami sa Tan Son Nhat Airport, and dadaan kami ng immigration, and then kukunin lang namin yung luggage na. Okay. Mga pads, we're done with the immigration. Now naman, we will look for our luggage. So mga parts, yung sinasabi nila na 1 hour dun sa immigration, for us naman it's only 30 minutes. Mabilis naman siya.
Ito na, yung luggage.
Pero yun nga, yung mga luggage namin, ayan na siya, naka-arrange na siya. Kasi nga medyo matagal lang siya. But yung line namin mga parts na pilahan namin is mabilis lang naman. Okay, so yun mga parts, and that will end our Philippine Airlines Manila to Ho Chi Minh vlog. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what to expect if ever you're planning to go here, if you're planning to book Philippine Airlines. And for me, it's always a smooth experience and wonderful experience because okay din yung mga staff nila. So ngayon gagrab na kami going to our hotel, and watch out mga parts sa aming Vietnam Ho Chi Minh vlog. Just make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below if you have any further questions, and click like. Follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, also at Biharambong. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos, stay safe and healthy. Bye!